Hey, it's Shay again, and I got another food review for you. Today, I'm going to be reviewing Jeff's Table. It's a deli with a repurposed liquor store inside. So I hear they got some really good sandwiches with some crazy portions and crazy flavors. So I'm going to check it out, let you see the inside, and we're going to review, and we're going to see what the hype is about. So I got my order. I ordered the wasabi potato salad. I wanted to try that out. And I got the Dirty Baby on rye bread. So this looks like a toasted chicken salad. And it smells so good. I wish you could smell how this is. This is not your regular chicken sandwich. It almost tastes like a chicken pasta on rye bread. It's got a lot of flavors. I can taste like the Gouda cheese, the celery, the onion. I think I got some bacon, red onion, all on rye. This is good. Wow. I can say I've never tasted a sandwich like this. They packed like a chicken pasta flavor vibe on bread, and it works. I'm gonna give this wasabi potato salad a try. This is packed with a lot of flavor. You could smell the aroma when you just open the package. Now the potato salad, it smells more like a dill potato salad, dill pickle. Like a dill pickle salad. To be honest, this has more of a dill pickle flavor, but it's not seasoned, if that makes sense. It's okay. It's like I needed some salt or some seasoning with it. But for the sandwich, on the Shay scale, I would have to say it's definitely an S. It's packed with way more flavor than I expected. For the potato salad, I would say it's an E. It's edible. I probably wouldn't get it again. It's not horrible, but it's nothing to brag about. And that tastes a little bit better with some salt on it. Overall customer experience was really great. The people in there are nice and they're friendly and they explained everything. They have some different flavor drinks as well. I got what is called the spicy pear, so I'm gonna try that. Ooh, and it is spicy. You feel it in your throat. But it's a sweet too, but it's definitely spicy. Ooh, it's a strong spice. It's different, it's unique. It has some other flavors and I'd like to try out, but that's okay. I can see me buying it again. But for all along, you gotta check out Jeff's Table and check out some of these sandwiches that if you're ever looking for a sandwich that's packed with a lot of flavor and seasoning and pretty good portion sizes, go ahead and check out Jeff's Table off of Figaro. If you'd like more content with me, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you don't miss a food review. Until next time, I'm gonna finish my sandwich because this is a hit.